Hi guys, it's Funk here at Scale Street Garage, and today's project is the Lesney Matchbox Major Pack M6. This is the Pickfords 200 ton haulage, although there were only 132 tons. If they wanted to do 200 they would have to use two tractors, one at the front, one at the back, and do a push-pull. As you can see, it's got plenty of play wear on this. No damage to the actual truck part itself, to the tractor unit. And the trailer's in pretty good condition, except for one towing ring is missing, and the actual towing bar itself, which isn't a problem. We'll sort that shortly. Right, I think it's time to get this apart. First we'll start off with just taking off the wheels, using a rotary tool here just to take off the rounded end of the axles, and the wheels pop off nice and easy. And now we'll just take out the rivet. It's only the one on the tractor unit. The front just hooks in by the front bumper. Once you've drilled the rounded head off, a little bit of gentle persuasion, and out it pops. And it's just same to do on each of the bogies. There's just one rivet in each after removing the wheels. The natural also a nice quick and easy stripping of the paint as per usual, and it all came out lovely and clean. Time to give it a quick clean up with the rotary tool and the wire brush attachment. This don't take too long at all because there's not very much oxidization on this, and the bodywork's in really good condition. Time now to drill it and tap it. The screws to go in, I'm using M2 screws, flatheads again to do this. I don't want to go in too far. I don't go right the way through. Being a bit cautious there. Now I've just got the tap, and I'm just going to wind it in and wind it back out again quickly. So nice and easy. Didn't take much. I'm just going to put the screws in now before doing the actual spray work, so that way they're colour coded at the end as well. Does look nice when they're colour matched. These are nice wide flathead screws, these are. Now just repairing the little toe ring on the front of the front bogie. The usual method there, just super glue or CA glue and baking powder. Drill it out very carefully. Use a little pin drill just to set the wire later on. All ready for spraying now. Put a nice light coat on first of all. And then we'll go progressively heavier once it's tacked off. It's quite a huge trailer this, and I spray in two sections. I do the top and then the bottom, or rather, sorry, the bottom and then the top. As you see, the bottom's dried out now enough. I'm just going to put a light coat on the top, a few minutes in between, and then we'll just go up progressively heavier. Once again using Tamiya paints. Now you'll see we're onto the tractor unit. This is also the Tamiya acrylic paint. It goes on nice and easy, and it's great stuff. I love using it. Works out, it's literally just the perfect blue for this. It's quite handy to have 3 parts in here, because just as you're spraying one, the other ones are drying out just enough so you're ready for the next coat. There's the base, just getting a coat of black quickly. Here we are. These decals I couldn't make myself because of the white ink, so I've had to acquire these online. I've got these from eBay. Yeah, they're okay. They're just about the right size. They could have done with being just a touch smaller for the bogies at the back, but we managed okay. They look okay. They look good. Well, in my eyes, they do. Not the water over there, and I thought, oh, that'll be okay. I'll use that to my benefit, and I actually used it just to set these last couple of decals. I put these off to dry off for a little while, and then I'm just going to give them a clear coat with the Tamiya clear. Here we go. This is the following morning. All clear coat. You've just been out to the workshop. Just put the axles back on using the usual melting method. It works brilliant for these. Just screw it all back together quickly, just to I'll fast forward this one. I'm sure you don't want to be bored with me just putting screws in. And now it's time to make the new hook for the front, the towing hook. Oh well, the towing link, shall I say. Just using 1mm copper wire there. I painted blue because the originals were blue. Just a quick recap of how we started out on the turntable. Plenty of player wear. No real major damage apart from the one little toe ring on the front bogie, and the link bow was missing. And there we go, it's now on the turntable, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love this little thing, I think it's fantastic. So happy with how it came out. Could have asked for it to be any better, to be honest. There we go, the last shot of it is the Lesney, the Major Parrot M6. Thanks for watching everybody. Please tune in again. Remember, follow me on Instagram, Scale Street Garage.